Hi, and welcome to this Danfoss training video. Today we'll talk about the AK-CC25 and how to lock and unlock the display buttons of your controller by swiping the display. I have separated a video with me using a physical controller to use as an example. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your controller has the display configuration set up as local. To do that, you need to connect your controller to the app by Bluetooth. This whole process has already been explained with more details in the Bluetooth video, so I'll not talk a lot about it. But if you have any questions regarding that, please make sure to watch the Bluetooth video. So, during the authentication, you must enter using the access level 3. After putting the right password and going to the parameters menu, selecting the display control, then you can select the keyboard lock. As you can see, my configuration was set up as network. Changing to local configuration, we can now make the lock possible. Now, we don't need the app anymore. We can go directly to the controller. In this controller, I have waited some time for the controller to lock automatically. If I press any button, it's going to show up the lock screen. And if I swipe from left to the right, I will unlock it. Now the buttons work completely normally. But if I want to lock manually, you just need to swipe from right to left. And to unlock, you just have to do the same way. Thanks for watching this Danfoss training video. See you soon!